Good morning, fifth grade. This is Thursday's video for the 30th of April. Anyway, you are missed. Page 98, grammar lesson 4.10. We'll be getting really close to a grammar test. You can expect that next week, probably on Wednesday. Nonetheless, we're going to look at 4.10, future perfect tenses. It says the future perfect tense is used to talk about a future event that will be started and completed before another future event begins. It's formed by using will have and the past participle. So will have is going to indicate what the future is, and when we use the past participle, which is the past tense of the main verb, that makes it the perfect tense. So will have and then the past tense of the main verb. Jan and Ben will have made supper by the time you arrive home. Will have is your future, and then made is your past participle. The verb in the future perfect tense is will have made. It indicates something that will start in the future, but that will be finished before the action described by the other verb arrive. We will have eaten supper by 7 o'clock tonight, and then I'll watch the game on TV. Now, will have eaten is in your future perfect tense because it's happening and will be completed before something else is done. And it tells us in our next paragraph, the verb in the future perfect tense is will have eaten. It tells about an action that will begin in the future, but will be completed before the time mentioned, 7 o'clock. Can you identify the verb in the future perfect tense in this sentence? Can you tell the action that the verb will come before? Our group will have decided on the topic for our project by next Monday, after which we will assign roles. So what is the future perfect tense? Will have decided. And what is that being completed by, or before, I should say? It says, you are correct if you said that the verb in the future perfect tense is will have decided. It describes an action that will start and end before next Monday, the time that's given. It will also be completed before the group assigns roles. So you're using the future perfect tense, will have, and then the past participle of the main verb. You are doing exercises 1 and 2, and this will be due on Tuesday. Exercise 1 says identify the verb phrase in the future perfect tense in each sentence. And it says by Friday night, we will have finished the preparations for the big family picnic on Saturday. Will have finished is our answer for the future perfect tense. Will have, and then the past participle. Exercise 2, complete each sentence with the future perfect tense of the verb in parentheses. By Saturday morning, I blank all the platters. The verb is wash, so that's the main verb that has to be made into the past tense. So washed. And then what do we use to make it the future? Will have. So our answer will be will have washed. Exercises 1 and 2 due on Tuesday. And actually, I guess that means that we will probably have your grammar test, let's say, next week, Friday. Love you. Miss you.